Hey guys, welcome back to HungryFusion. Today we are going to make burnt garlic mushroom fried rice. It is simple yet easy fried rice recipe which can be done in minutes. I skipped the sauces for this fried rice and the real flavor of the veggies makes this fried rice delicious. This is the perfect quick weekend lunch. Do not forget to check no deep fry broccoli 65 recipe in the description. Now let's jump into the making. First, in a bowl, I am taking 1 cup of basmati rice. I am going to wash it thoroughly and soak it for about 30 minutes. Drain the water and transfer it into a pressure cooker after 30 minutes. Add 2 cups of water to it. The ratio is 1:2. Use rice mode with unsoaked rice and the same amount of water if cooking in instant pot. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil just to remove the stickiness in the rice and half a teaspoon of salt that is needed for the rice. Pressure cook it for about 3 whistles. Meanwhile, in a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic. You can add it as per your preference. Fry nicely until it is lightly browned. Once done, add half a red bell pepper, half green bell pepper, which is capsicum, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Fry everything well for about 2 minutes. Add salt needed for the vegetables. Cook everything together. Add 200 grams of mushrooms which is chopped. Cook for 3 minutes. Once the pressure subsides, remove the lid and fluff up the rice so that it won't form any lumps. It will be easier to mix into our vegetables. Now the mushrooms are also cooked well. Let's add the fluffed up rice. Make sure there are no lumps in the rice. Add half teaspoon black pepper along with it. We are not going to add any sauces here, yet this fried rice turned out so amazing. Mix everything well. Add few spring onion greens to garnish. I did not have it, so I just skipped it. Delicious and healthier version of fried rice is done. This simple homemade fried rice is very easy to make. I served it with no deep fried broccoli 65. I have uploaded the recipe already in my channel. Check for the recipe link in the description. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification. Stay tuned for amazing recipes. Thank you.